Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Gucci model GG0053S in color code 001. It's a black color frame. It has a gold double G Gucci logo on the side of the temples. This frame is made in Italy, and there's the serial number. The lenses are gray grading color with a Gucci logo engraved on the top left. Up here we have the velvet Gucci cases with the microfiber cleaning cloth, a pouch to put your glasses in, and an authenticity card right over here.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.